Okay, so this is for the binomial probability. I'm going to do one example because I think that's pretty much all you'll need because they're all the same. It says, after studying a couple's history, a doctor continues that the probability of any child born to this couple having a gene for a certain disease is 1 out of 4. If the couple has 3 children, what is the probability that exactly 2 of the children have the gene for this disease? So you need to use your binomial probability equation, which is this. So this is the number of children that they were going to have. That's this number, and then this is the number of children that they, in this case, are looking to have the disease. That's going to be R. The probability of getting the disease will be probability 1. Probability of not getting the disease will be the second probability. This is the number of people that are going to have the disease, and this is the number of people that will not. So the probability of success and how many successes, the probability of failure, how many failures. So let's get started here. So the probability, so first of all, they're having 3 children, and exactly 2 of them will have the disease. So there's 3 kids there. So it's going to be 3C2. And then the probability that they have the disease is 1 out of 4. So it's going to be 1/4. And there's going to be 2 of them that have the disease, and then the probability that they don't have the disease would be 3/4. And there's going to be 1 of those kids that do not, because if 2 have it and there's 3 total, then 1 does not. So then you're going to just type that right into your calculator. So then what I usually do is I do it one step at a time, so I'm going to type this into my calculator first, 3C2, which is just 3, and then I'm going to multiply it by 1/4 raised to the second in parentheses, and then times it by 3/4 raised to the first power in parentheses, and you should end up with 0.14 or 14% as your total, and that would be your total probability. So that's how you're going to set up all of those. Make sure you do the practice test, and then we will see you for the retake.